My name is Mariusz Sabath, and I will show you today how to deploy Trusted Service Identity in Minikube. If you like to follow the documentation for this demo, please visit our open-sourced page in GitHub. This demo assumes you already have a Minikube running with kubectl and Helm installed as instructed in our README page. To make typing more efficient, let's set up an alias KK to reference the namespace trusted identity that we are using in this deployment. Okay, step 1. Create a namespace. This script removes existing namespace, if there are any, and creates a new namespace trusted identity. Step 2. TSI requires Vault to store the secrets. We can use an existing Vault service if one is available, or we can create new one, running as a container. For the purpose of this demo, let's create one quickly. This configuration starts a container and a Vault service. Let's get the Minikube access to the service and test it using curl. This is an expected result. At this point, let's assign the endpoint to the environment variable. Step 3. Set up all the nodes. In our Minikube, there is only one node. This Helm deployment would create a daemon set with one container per each node. This container creates a private key associated with the node instance. Step 4. Install Trusted Service Identity environment using the most recent Helm chart. Here we need to define the cluster region, let's make it Germany, and name of the cluster, for example Minikube. We need also a Vault endpoint that we set earlier. Step 5. Set up Vault. For this step we need to have a Vault admin token that can be obtained from the Vault container log. Using this root admin Vault credential, we will deploy the Vault authentication plugin and create new root CA that would be securely stored in Vault. Step 6. Register all the nodes. This script creates intermediate CAs for all the nodes that are signed with the main root CA stored in the Vault. Once the node is registered, the public interface for this node is disabled, so no more changes can be done without resetting the node. Step 7. Remove the setup containers. Since the environment is considered to be securely bootstrapped and the worker nodes are registered with Vault, we don't need the daemon set on the workers. So let's remove them by removing the Helm deployment. Step 8. We can now load few sample policies to the Vault so we can test the end-to-end interaction. Let me show you an example of the policy that contains a cluster region, cluster name, a namespace, and the name of the image. This policy grants the read access. To load the policies, we execute demo load sample policies script. Step 9. Let's load few sample keys to the Vault, so various test containers can retrieve them. To run the script, we need to provide the sample region name, Germany, and the cluster name, in our case Minikube. Step 10. Let's deploy a sample container. We need to annotate what secrets we want and where they should be mounted on this container. Here's the sample deployment configuration with several secrets that we attempt to access. Let me dump the deployment details to show the annotated secrets. The Trusted Service Identity sidecar attempts to retrieve the secrets, and if they exist and the policies on Vault allow this container to access them, the secrets will be mounted at the specified location. We can exec into the container and see if we can read the secret. I need a secret name to follow the secret path. Here we are. Here's the secret. Just for fun, I can show you the script that deploys the sample keys. And here is the entry that creates the sample secret for the specific environment, Germany, Minikube. This concludes this demonstration. Thank you.